What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in here we have something that you might want, and it's called a book. It's like, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, so right here we have the New English Dictionary. This is the old school dictionary, but it is more than just a dictionary. This is a lock box slash book, and we are going to check this bad boy out. I got this because I just like getting cool stuff, and I have books and stuff, and I could blend this in if I want to hide money in it or whatever else I want to hide in it, and I will hide it in there. At first hand, this feels smooth. It actually feels like a book cover. All right, and here we go. We open it, and this is cardboard, so it is like a book. Now this feels like aluminum. It don't feel like metal, but this is either metal or aluminum. And right here you have the lock door, and in here you have your keys, and that's about it. What else we get? Amazon, thank you. Amazon Basics. So this is an Amazon Basics. I think I got it on a daily deal last month or two. I'm just now getting to it. The back side do flip out like a book, so you can blend this into the books that you have, whatever books you read or whatever. You could blend this in, and it could be like your little hidden trap door. You know those trap doors where you could bend the book back, and you know, just talking. But anyways, this is just a quick review, just going over this with y'all. If y'all want to know the dimensions, all right, you guys, I had to get some time, so let me go ahead and give y'all the measurements of this thing real quick so y'all can know, just in case y'all want to put something bigger in there. I don't know, but here we go, and open the safe, and this is your dimensions right here. So you cannot put nothing bigger than 9 inches. This is 9 inches when it comes to the height of this thing. So from the inside measurement is 9 inches top to bottom of the book. Now we're going to check the width of the book. The width is at least 5 inches. So, and the depth of it, right, we're looking at 1.25 inches. It's 1.5 inches to the top of the lip, but to actually close the book you need to be under that 1.5 inches. That's why I said 1.25 inches. And that will be it. All right, you have your book, you have your lock. All right, you guys, so I have more products coming, like little simple stuff, and then we have tools coming in the upcoming month because I need to get back into getting my tools. Basically, you may not need the lock if you're the only person that knows that this is a locked book, but if other people know that this is your locked book, then yeah, you may want to keep the lock with you. Lock it or unlock? All right, unlock. All right, now it's unlocked. Now, if you look on the inside, it's metal around the whole thing. So this part is an overlayer. This is not actually the inside of it. I'll show you it real quick. So it may be a little bit harder to get into than what people think, but of course you can get in this if you put a sledgehammer to it and try to break it into a million pieces. But if you're that desperate to get into this thing, then you know you have serious issues. But other than that, it's good enough to store money or whatever is of value to you, jewelry, money, and you want to keep it in a safe spot, then there you go. If money cash money will mean anything to us in the next few years anyway. Digital currency. But anyways, that's too political for this channel. Whether it be Heart, Ryobi, DeWalt, those reviews will be coming these next couple of months because I do want to get some tools. Yeah, so other than that, I am back to reviewing cool stuff for your house. And that's it. Like, comment, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe.